Unlocking Achievements, Your Path to English Mastery. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and motivational phrase, unlock achievements. This expression is not only popular in gaming communities but has also found its way into everyday language, symbolizing progress and success. Let's explore how understanding this phrase can boost your English skills and motivate you in your learning adventure. The phrase, unlock achievements, is composed of two key words, unlock and achievements. To unlock means to open or make something accessible that was previously inaccessible. It's like using a key to open a lock. On the other hand, achievements refer to things accomplished through effort, skill, or courage. So, when put together, unlock achievements metaphorically means gaining access to or reaching milestones as a result of one's efforts or skills. Originally popularized by video games, unlock achievements refers to completing specific tasks or reaching certain milestones within a game, which rewards the player with a badge, points, or a new level. This concept has transcended gaming and is now used in various contexts to describe personal and professional milestones. It symbolizes the idea that effort and persistence lead to the reward of new opportunities and recognition. This phrase can be motivational and is often used to encourage continuous improvement and perseverance. For example, in education, by completing this advanced course, you'll unlock achievements in your academic career. In personal growth, setting and accomplishing small goals helps you unlock achievements in your personal development journey. In the workplace, our team managed to unlock significant achievements this quarter by exceeding our targets. 1. Set clear goals. Define what achievements you want to unlock in your English learning journey. It could be mastering a new tense, expanding your vocabulary, or becoming fluent in conversation. 2. Celebrate milestones. Every time you reach a milestone, take a moment to celebrate. This recognition of your effort will motivate you to keep going. 3. Use resources wisely. Utilize books, apps, videos, and language exchange opportunities to enhance your learning experience. 4. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Regular practice will help you unlock achievements faster and build your confidence in using English. Understanding and using the phrase, unlock achievements, can be incredibly motivating in your English learning journey. It reminds us that through continuous effort and dedication, we can achieve our goals and unlock new opportunities for growth and success. Keep pushing forward, and celebrate each achievement along the way. We hope this video has inspired you to unlock your full potential in English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.